When water damage hits, it can feel overwhelming, but you don't have to face it alone. SOS Cleaning and Restoration is here to provide expert water damage remediation in Lakeville, Minnesota. Our trained technicians respond fast to minimize damage and begin restoring your home. Every step we take is designed to bring you comfort and clarity during a stressful time. With 24/7 emergency services, we act quickly to stop water in its tracks. Time matters, and we're ready when you need us most. Our water damage remediation includes thorough water removal, thorough drying, sanitizing, and necessary repairs. We restore not just your space, but your peace of mind. We also offer professional mold remediation to ensure your home stays safe and healthy. Our work is detailed, thorough, and always done with care. We'll communicate clearly, answer your questions, and walk with you through every step of the process. You deserve to feel supported and understood. Call SOS Cleaning and Restoration at 952-847-3404 or visit us online at soscleaningandrestoration.com/areas-served-Lakeville-MN. SOS Cleaning and Restoration, trusted water damage remediation.